The Delhi BJP is protesting against power tariff hike. We're going across, in fact, to these pictures right now. BJP leaders have been detained by the Delhi police and they had been protesting against the power tariff hike in the national capital. There's been hangama in Delhi city with the BJP out on streets. The workers, we understand, have now been detained by the police. Beginning in these pictures, also Abhishek Anand continues to be with us on that story. Abhishek, these BJP workers have now been detained. What more can you tell us about what's happening on the ground?
Well, I can barely hear you. I can show you what's happening here. About 50 to 100 BJP workers were marching towards the Delhi Secretariat when they were stopped by the police. They are protesting against the Aam Aadmi Party government, claiming that the PPAC power purchase accommodation charges have been increased. 10% of increase in electricity bill is what they are claiming, and now the BJP workers are being pushed away by the police. This was the final barricade at the ITO. From there, the BJP workers are now being pushed away. The BJP claims that the Aam Aadmi Party, that claims to have provided electricity on a half rate, has now increasing the electricity bills in the national capital, and this is why the protest is happening on the day when Arvind Kejriwal has got an interim bail. Over to you.
The BJP has been protesting right now and they've been detained. Give us a sense of what are their specific demands as far as tariff hike is concerned. Abhishek.
Well, the demand is to bring down the electricity bill. They are claiming that despite the assurance of the Aam Aadmi Party that the electricity bills will be half, the electricity bill actually shot up. The power purchase cost, purchase adjustment cost is what the BJP leaders claim has led to the rise in electricity bills, and now you can see the BJP workers are having a minor scuffle with the police and paramilitary personnel. They are being stopped from marching towards the Delhi Secretariat, and now the police is trying to stop them. The senior leaders are also here and they are claiming that the police is pushing them around, but this is the busiest intersection of the national capital, and the police wants these protesters not to march further as traffic has affected in the entire area. Over to you.
All right, Abhishek getting us those details as far as this protest is concerned.